Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox apple cucumber juice. Now, this is something that you definitely need to try in empty stomach in breakfast. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of apples which are nicely chopped. We will then add a cup of cucumbers which are again chopped nicely. Preferably, we take the thin, slender cucumbers because they're more juicy. We will then add some ginger pieces which are nicely chopped. We will then add some coriander leaves and mint leaves together. This will give us a refreshing taste as well as a good aroma. We will top this up with some ice cubes to beat the heat. We will add some salt, some pepper and some chaat masala to go with. We will then top this up with some lemon juice to provide us with a refreshing taste. Add enough water to submerge the ingredients, and before we add more, we will grind it nicely. We will then run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are out. We will add some chia seeds which are already soaked. Top it up with some honey, and our 100% detox drink is now ready to be had.